Hello there, everybody. This is me on my GTA Online video. My buddy is carrying me on a broken truck that we found. We kind of broke off the back door, and I'm in it. Holy shit. Okay. He picked me up. It took a long time, but, well, as you can see, it's really easy. All you gotta do is find one of these trucks and, well, find a friend of yours that has a cargo bomb, or you can just can spawn it in the airport. And once you open the fucking door, oh shit, okay. Once you just get the truck, smash it against the wall a million times, and when the door opens, try to break it off. Then what you're gonna do is get inside the truck. By the way, I think this is version 1.18, so okay. And we're on our way to I don't know where. I have no idea where. But okay. ¿Qué? Here's our little trick, pero no se va a explotar esta mierda. No tengo paracaídas, prefiero que me sueltes. He is fucking gonna drop me. He's gonna drop me in the water! Everybody, this is why it's called truck diving. She's pretty much just gonna drop me. This is gonna be probably a very short video, because it's hard to find another truck, you know? It's very, very hard. But hey, fuck this bullshit. ¿Qué? No me puedo ver. No, yo no puedo verme. What? No te entiendo. Ya estoy adentro. Oh shit, oh shit! No me sueltes. Spanish a little. Holy shit! Holy fuck. You know one of them trucks? They're not really trucks, they're pretty much just like, it looks like they have something on their back, but they don't. Okay, 1, 2, fuck! Nada más que lo soltaste me morí. I died as soon as you fucking let me go. Okay, people, I'm gonna find another truck. See you when I do. Now we're gonna do some survival. Well, I don't know how you call it in English, because I have a Spanish PS3 and a Spanish GTA 5, so. We're gonna kill a lot of people. Wave after wave. We're gonna parachute down there, okay? I'll be right with you. Everybody, here's my big surprise that I was gonna do, motherfucker. I can't, it's hard to tape and play. It really is. But, look at me, I'm doing it. Where is it? ¿No está? Our helicopter seems to have landed or stranded or whatever. Seems to have disappeared. I know I'm not as fun as those other guys. I actually try very hard, but there's a lot of video-like stuff that happens, but I never have my phone around to tape it. Yeah, I tape with my phone, people. Fucking tape with my fucking phone. Shit. Landed it, bitch! I'll be right with you when we start the survival. Actually, no. This is pretty much the end of our video, because I can't tape and do survival at the same time. It's hard as fuck. This video was pretty short, but you got to see me parachute and shit. Please leave a like. If you have any idea about comments, please tell me. I am very shitty. Shitty, I mean.